Hello, it's time for your weekly 90-second tech roundup. It was the week Twitter will expand its safety mode feature, which lets users temporarily block accounts that send harmful or abusive tweets. Dating site Tinder goes retro and introduces blind dates for users to interact without profile pictures. And Disney is the latest massive corporation to show interest in the metaverse, appointing long-term employee Mike White as Senior VP for next-generation storytelling and consumer experiences. Meta, the company that owns Facebook, is to pay $90 million to settle a privacy lawsuit over tracking users without their knowledge. The social media giant, who this week rebranded its news feed, denied wrongdoing but settled to avoid the costs and risks of a trial. Next up, if you want to know exactly how stressed you are, new wearable tech that looks a bit like a smartwatch can tell you. Researchers at UCLA made this device, which uses sweat to monitor the level of cortisol while being worn. And finally, more private astronauts are hoping to boldly go up, but this time outside the spaceship, as billionaire Jared Isaacman filed flight plans that include the first ever commercial spacewalk. The finance CEO is already a Crew Dragon veteran, flying last year on the Inspiration 4 mission. The Polaris Dawn mission hopes to test new EVA suits and raise more money for the St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Watch this space.